null pointer exception. Every Java developer has seen this error crash their program at least once. But what exactly is it, and when does it strike? A null pointer exception is a runtime error that occurs when your code tries to use a reference variable that points to null, meaning it doesn't reference any actual object in memory. It's an unchecked exception, which means the compiler won't catch it. It only shows up when your program is running, making it especially tricky for beginners. Think of it like trying to open a door that doesn't exist. You reach for the handle, but there's nothing there. Let's look at the most common scenarios. You get a null pointer exception when you call a method on a null object, like calling getName on a user object that's null, or when you try to access a field of a null object, like user.email. You'll also see it when accessing an array element that's null, or when trying to get the length of a null array. Even unboxing a null integer to an int will throw this exception. Each of these situations has the same root cause. You're treating null as if it were a real object. So how do you prevent and fix null pointer exceptions? First, always perform null checks before using objects. A simple if statement checking if the object is not null can save you. Use Java's optional class to explicitly handle values that might be absent. Practice defensive programming by validating method parameters and return values. And when debugging, always check the stack trace. It tells you exactly which line triggered the exception. These habits will make null pointer exceptions much less frequent in your code. Remember, null pointer exception means you tried to use a null reference. Prevent it with null checks, and when it happens, let the stack trace guide you to the source. Now go write safer Java code. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.